Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to make a booking website using Canva. So the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. And then as you can see, we have two tabs. So we have a tab for Canva and we have a tab for Set More. Okay, so Set More is the platform that we are going to use in order for our customers to get our booking. Okay, so first make sure that you have signed up for a Canva account. And then if you would like to subscribe to a pro plan, then you can do that as well. Okay, so now that we already have our Canva account, let's go ahead and sign up for a Set More account. So here, just use a search bar at the top and then you just have to type up Set More. Okay, and then you'll be able to see this website. Now just simply click on this one. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. So don't worry guys, because Set More has a free plan, so you don't really have to worry. So you just simply click on the start the free option at the top right of your screen. Okay, so you can continue creating your account with Google or continue with Facebook. You can also continue using your email. Okay, so now that we already signed up for a Set More account, let's go here now on our account. So as you can see right here, just go to the services option at the left side of our screen. And here you can create your own service. So here we have free services. So we have 15 minutes meeting, 30 minutes, and 1 hour meeting. So here to create your own, you just have to click on this plus icon at the top right of your screen. Okay, and click on service. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. And then once you're here, you just have to give your service a name. Okay, so for example, you have an emergency meeting, a consultation, or coaching, so it's up to you. So for example, we're going to name this one as an emergency meeting. Okay, so we are going to label this one as red. And then you can also put a description of this service. And then of course the duration of this meeting, so 30 minutes. And then if you would like to add a buffer time, so just add here the buffer time. So let's say 10 minutes. And then just have to enter here a cost. Okay, so for example, you have an emergency meeting with your client, so yeah, you just have to put here your cost. Okay, so here just type out 100. And then of course the location. Okay, so the location should be online, of course. And then for the category, so you can add here a category. Okay, and then here we can upload the service image. Of course, so just click on this upload option and then just click on it and you'll be directed to your files. Okay, so you have your customers details. Okay, so click on this create option at the top right of your screen. Okay, so take note that this is just an example. Of course, you have to give this service a perfect name. Okay, so for example, a booking page, so it's up to you. So for the payments, of course, you just have to go here and then you just have to connect your payment. So we have PayPal, we have Square, and we also have Stripe. So just click on the connect payment option. Okay, and then for the integration, so we have Zoom, Google Meet, we also have for social media, we have Facebook, Instagram bookings, Instagram streaming, and for the payment, again, we have Square, Stripe, PayPal, even Cash, and LowPay. Now go to the settings, and here you'd be able to see your brand. So we have here our brand details, of course, the appearance, the contact details, the location, and our business hours. So let's start with the brand details. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Here, as you can see, we have our business hours. So if you have an available time for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or even Saturday and Sunday, so you just have to toggle this switch on. And then of course you have to set your time. So if your business hours starts at 8 a.m. in the morning and ends at 5 p.m. So you just have to set your available working hours right here. And then you can also add your links right here. Now for your profile, so yeah, let's just save the changes for now. Okay, so for your profile here, you have your about section, so you can add or customize your phone number right here, your email, and then your working hours. Okay, and then your services, your working hours, your breaks, your time off, and your updates. Now let's go to the booking page. So this is the overview of our booking page right here. So here is our booking page. Now the next thing that we're going to do is to share this one. So here, just click on the share booking page, and then you just have to copy the link. Okay, now let's go back to our Canva account. So right here, let's just use the search bar and type out website. That's right. So you can use templates or start from scratch. It's up to you. Okay, so for this one, I think we're just going to start from scratch just to show you how you can put the link of your booking page. So just simply click on this plus icon. Okay. And once you're here, you just have to click on this text option at the top. That's right. Okay, and then you just have to choose your text styles. So for example, add a heading, so this one. So what you're going to do here now is to simply click on it, and then you just have to click on this linked option, and then you just have to paste here the link of your booking page. Okay, and then click on done. Now for the display mode, make sure to click on the embed option. Okay, and then just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so here, as you can see, we have this one right here, right? So just wait for a couple of seconds, and let's click on it and make sure to select the embed option. See, when you select the embed option, you'd be able to see here your booking page. So all you have to do now is to resize your booking page. Okay, and after that, we can now preview this website. So just simply click on the preview option. So when your customers visit your website, and then select their service, so just have to click on this one, and you'd be able to see here your available working hours. So they just have to simply click on the time, and then just have to log in using their Google, Facebook, or email. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.